Welcome to Rajasuseela Holistics. Today I am doing a Celtic cross session for Cancerians. How is this week for you? The first card for you is this card, the Strength card. This is your present position. You are a person with high caliber of talents and inner strength. You can change any situation into a positive situation. Such is your energies now, and you are the person with high energy from inner strength. Your energy is very high, and what crosses is the Emperor. This card says that situations are also in the same direction. Things are giving you encouragement to be more of with inner strength, and you can accomplish things in the good way. So it is a very great card to get in the second position in the Celtic cross, where it gives the solution to you all your problems. So it says that you have to keep up that energy, that inner strength energy into you. The reason behind it is Seven of Swords. This says that in your past someone has cheated you, and that made you be more careful and more strong from inside. You had got a bad experience in the past which made you that you trust everybody, and you had lost a big thing in your life. So that made you very strong from inside, not to depend on anyone and be self-reliant. And in your recent past, the Wheel of Fortune card says in the recent past there had been lot of changes coming in your life. It can be your love life, it can be your career life, it can be either of it, because there is no much indication in the cards which you have got. It is a career or your love life. It can apply to both. For some Cancerians it can be your love life, for some Cancerians it can be your career life. So there had been some massive changes in your recent past that happened in your life, and let's see what it will be in your recent future. Somewhere from now to another 3-4 months, you have got King of Swords. It says that you will be more stronger in your situation. You will have the control on your situation better than now what you have, so you will control it. So both the cards, the Emperor card and the King of Swords, the Emperor card coming as the what crosses you is the swords. The Emperor card, this card, and the near future card King of Swords, both says that you need to be very strong, exhibit your potentiality so that you can take care of your better future. And what the best you can do is Two of Wands. You have got this Two of Wands card says that your future is really bright, everything is going well, things will move in a smoother and softer and a easy way. That's what this card says. Your inner ambition and inner thoughts, you have got the card Judgment. So you want a better future, a better life with a good situation for you, where you are given justice. That's what your aspirations are. Your Environment card, how people see you and how things are, the King of Pentacles. This card says that others are well with you, things are really good, situation is good. Both the card says the Environmental card and how you can improve card, both the card says that things are really in a smoother and good way. That's what good environment is seen. And your fears and hopes are Two of Swords. This card says that you are not happy with the situation. You are very much worried how you can do it, whether I can do it. Will I deliver better performance or will I not deliver better performance? That is your inner fear that you have. And the final card for you, the Empress. It says that Empress, King of Swords, and the Emperor card, all the three cards says that you are a person of high caliber, high potentiality and great talent. So you can extend it with great extent. You can do it very well. So you can deliver the best of it and achieve many big things in your life. So great card ahead, guys. So if you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.